How to send WhatsApp message without saving number. If you want to send a WhatsApp message to someone without saving their number in your contact, you can do using several methods. So if you are using your Android device, you have to just go and open up your WhatsApp here. On your WhatsApp, just go for the plus icon here. Just go for the new contact. On your new contact, you have to just write the name and go for the save option and you can message to them. Also, you can scroll down to the bottom or you can go to your number here, and on your number just tap on the number here, and if this number has the WhatsApp account, it will be shown here. You can just tap on that and send them a message. With the help of this simple step, you can easily send the message to any number without needing to save it to your contact. If this number is not saved in your mobile device, but you can find the WhatsApp here, you have to just tap on the WhatsApp here and the number has been sourcing. You can simply see that the WhatsApp number has not been sent on my device, but you can send the message. So this is the process how you can send the message on your WhatsApp without saving the number. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.